Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're unboxing brown paper packages. So I love opening this one. This is a bi-monthly subscription, so you get it every other month, and it's a lifestyle subscription. It comes from Canada, but I am in the US, so of course I deliver to the US too. I will link them down below. So there's always a theme. You get really awesome, unique items. This is like by far one of my favorite lifestyle subscriptions, so I will link them down below along with any codes if there aren't any currently available. Thank you, Brown Paper Packages, the Hutch sisters who make the subscription, for sending me this free for review. This is not sponsored, but I'm truly so grateful to open this on our channel. It's one of my favorites, and I know a lot of you like it as well. So let's get started and get this open. I hope you guys are all doing well. If you're watching this in real time, happy Friday. I am feeling a bit better for anyone who asked. Thank you so much. I probably should have opened this before I might pause talking and cut this part out. Alright, I got it open. It's a bigger box, this one. I tried cutting it from the middle and realized that was just like a sticker they put on, not a So this is what it looks like. All wrapped up perfect. Oh my, I totally remember what the theme is now. The theme for this box is a galaxy not so far away. Is that what it says? Yeah, a galaxy not so far away. So it's like space themed. You guys know I love space. I love astrology. I love astronomy, all of that. So we have a little like pamphlet here that goes over everything inside. So this is the August-September box. And here are all the items. I'll keep this to the side, and then it'll tell us what the next one. So the boxes that are shipping off right now, starting October 1st, it says, is Better Call Fall. So the box that, if you order this now, if you're not already subscribed, will be a fall themed box. But how freaking cute. They always do such a good job. So we have like a little bonus item here, sugar stars. Sorry, I forgot to turn my computer off. There's some notifications going. How cute. Oh my gosh, and everything is wrapped up individually like always. So cute. This is seriously like Christmas every box. I love it so much. Let's start with this big one right here. And look at the tape they used to close this. Like, oh my gosh, it's so cute. This has some weight to it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Let's see what I can guess. I'm surprised Emmy hasn't come out. Emmy! She's napping in my bedroom. I almost joined her, but I'm like, no, you gotta just push through. Oh my god, what is this? Is this a planter? Let's see. This is so cool. It looks like a meteorite or something. Or the moon, like. I think this could be used definitely as a planter. Oh my god. I love this. This is so cool. This is like so me. Let's see what it says. It's a planter, right? A moonscape planter. You'll find a universe of uses for this small ball planter crafted from cement. This planter resembles the moon's uniquely textured surface, a stellar addition to your decor. I love this so much. Oh my god, it's first item and I'm like obsessed. Look at, they do seriously, like I know they've been like nominated and have won something for like subscription box awards, but like if I had to rate like a box that does the best with presentation, it would by far be them. By far. Oh my god. Okay, let's see. This is in a little box here. You're my star. Oh, it's a little like hanging decor piece. You can probably put this on your Christmas tree too if you wanted. You're my star. So cute and goes perfect with this. Let's see. Oh, it is an ornament. This is a gift. So this is a special bonus item. You're all shining stars to us. Hang the star with an eyesight is a daily reminder that you are as luminous as the night sky. That's so sweet. Thank you. And then we have something in this very fun star, shimmering, shiny. Oh, there's all these squigglies in here. Oh, is this a reusable straw? Is that what I saw in here? I think this is. collapsible straw and brush. How eco-friendly and amazing. So it's a straw. You pull it out, and then there's a little cleaner right inside it. That's awesome. I love this. I feel like I've had one of these in the past, but I don't have one currently, so I'm super excited about this. I love it. I use these type of straws. You know, I don't use disposable ones, so super happy to have that. Oh my God, for real. Top star presentation for subscription boxes. And I just sit here like destroying this beautiful art they pretty much did by wrapping it. Oh my God, I love this tissue paper even. And I'm just gonna... Ooh, what is it? Oh, I think it's a tumbler. Yes. Oh, I've heard of this company, Bevy insulated cup. These are awesome. So you can use it for coffee, water, wine. Love it. I'm going to Marco Island after I film this and upload it. My parents are in town, so wine is on my mind. You guys know if you know. Let's see. Yeah, close encounters insulated tumbler. So it can keep cold beverages cold up to 9 hours and warm ones up to 3 hours. That's awesome. By the way, they get all their items from like Canadian distributors and like local Canadian shops. I'm gonna guess this is jewelry. Look how cute. I know I say this every time, but they wrap everything so perfect. No, it's even better than jewelry. Oh my God, it's a blinged out pen and I'm so excited. The fuzzy stuff's kind of sticking to it right now because it's like ripped out. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I go through pens kind of quick now that I journal every single day. And I am so excited. This is instantly going to be my go-to pen. This is so fun. Ooh, and apparently there's a notebook in here too. I'm so excited. This must be it, right? I don't know, but look at this. I'm like so into these shiny things right now. This is called the Aurora Borealis pen. Do I say that word right? Like the northern stars? Isn't that what that means? But, oh my gosh. Is this the notebook or is it? This must be. Oh, there's seriously a few more things left. It's like the never-ending box and I love it. This is always so good, you guys. I swear. Okay, let's see. Oh my God, isn't it so pretty? I think we might have gotten something from a long time ago from the same person. Oh my God, like indigenous, right? Let's see. Betty Albert. She was adopted and raised by French-Canadian parents, but circumstances eventually brought her back to her Native American father. Yes, I remember. I had a notebook. I probably have it stored. I keep all of my notebook. And this is so beautiful. Oh, I love it. It's like, oh my God, you can see the outline in the painting. I'm so obsessed. This is beautiful. I'm so excited. Yay. And then, oh my God, look at the stickers they put in here. This is, oh my God, there's like a picture of a dog in there. Cool wrap for neck or head. Keeps you cool all day long. Great for outdoor activities, hot flashes, sore joints, gardeners, travelers, athletes, golfers, hikers. Perfect for you or your pet. That's probably why they have the dog on there. I know I say this like in all my videos, but it's freaking hot where I live. I was looking at one of my phone and it says something how there's like freezing temperatures in parts of the United States right now or something. I was like, what? I'm like, it's like 90 degrees here. So these are cool. I've had one of these in the past. You just like wrap this around you and it cools you off. There's like these cooling beads right here. You can feel it. You can't see it. That's so cool. But yeah, this will definitely come in handy. It says it's activated when submerged in cool water for 15 to 30 minutes. You remove it and then any water smooth across the length of the time, pat dry, maybe refrigerated for added coolness. That's awesome. It's non-toxic, environmentally safe, non-hazardous. As you can see, they're a Canadian company. Awesome. I'm excited about that. I have like major deja vu. This is because I've seen these companies before. I've opened a lot of boxes, but like, I remember this is a soap company and I really liked it. Nature's Art something something. Like, how cute is their presentation too? Oh, smells good. I remember liking the soap from them last time, but I don't remember what it was. Oh my god, and it's so cute. I think it's been like years since I've had this company, but I remember liking it. It smells so good. Let's see if it says. So it's called Galaxy. Does it say? It must be. I have some lavender. I love that I can smell, by the way, because I've been sick, you know? Yay. Let's see, does it say, this artisan handmade? There's Emmy! Hi, baby girl. It took you long enough. It's a fresh and cool scent with a hint of sweetness, just like you would find on a starry Nova Scotia evening. Oh my god, it smells so good. Want to smell? She's not very interested. You're interested in all this wrapping all around me. And then, I think we have one more item. And we have a Stray Cats item. And look, there's a little bag on it with the star. Galactic Gloss. It is Stray Cats, right? I'm assuming it is, because we usually get one of their items. It's a Canadian brand, a beauty brand, and they give back to animal charities. Love it. So let's see. Yep, it is Stray Cat. How fun. So the shade is called, it's one of their Galactic Glosses, and this is Spacesuit. This is so perfect. Oh, it smells, I love the smell of lip glosses and stuff. It smells like a bakery or something, you know. Oh, this is cute. Like, it's metallic and shiny, but wearable. It's cool. I might feel better, but I don't know if I look 100% better. Oh my god, you guys, this is making me feel even better too. This is so good. I love opening this box and all the things I get in it. I wish Emmy would, maybe you could see her a little bit, her like little ears right here. The presentation, like I keep raving about, it's like just so cute, so fun to open, so on point with the theme. The items are always on point with the theme, not just the wrapping. And they're all so great. I love it. I love every single thing. Well, my favorite item is this planter. Like, I actually have to repot some things. So I'm gonna do this, and maybe I'll like put it on my desk right there, like where I do like astrology and tarot stuff. But I love literally everything, the notebook and the pen, all of it. I'm really satisfied. The soap, oh my gosh, this was so good. Let me know what you guys think. I'm going to link them down below, like I said. Thank you to the Hutch sisters for sending me this box, brown paper packages. I love it. Thank you guys for being here and watching. I love you guys. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment. Do something special for yourself today. You deserve it. I love you. If you haven't already checked out my second channel, Kitty Rising, if you're into tarot reading, astrology, all that stuff, please do so. It means so much to me, but I'm truly just so grateful you guys are here. I love you. Have a great night, a great weekend whenever you're watching this. Mwah. Bye.